Hello everybody, my name is Pascal Noel and this is a tutorial video for the Advanced Video Clip Manager Clipbox. If you don't already own Clipbox, go to nohl.lu and download your copy for free. So here we go! In this tutorial video I will talk you about a funny thing about themes. You can go to File, Theme, and you will see here the color scheme or theme for Clipbox. As you can see, you have a color for icons that are enabled, white here, red for icons that you drag over, that are selected, and icons that are disabled. You have colors for the frames, enabled, selected, disabled, color for the switches, true, false, color for the menus, the color for the text and the selected text, the alignment of the text, the separator in menus. Let's check a menu to see it. You have the separators here that have also an alignment, that can have a different font size. You have a background with black here, with a certain transparency. You have a selection bar, the red bar here, that also has a certain transparency. All these color features, you can change them. Simply the selection bar here, make it green. And the selection bar is not green because we didn't apply it, so apply it. Now our selection bar is green. So let's go back to themes. You can change any value here in this settings, or you can also have stored themes. Clipbox is just delivered with default values. I have already created some themes for myself, for example Green Viper. Select it, you see the colors here have changed, and apply. And once we apply this, we see that everything here is greenish. The menus have become green, the selections here became green, the tabs became green. So go back to theme, go to the themes, the orange space, select, and we see here the colors that will be used. Apply. Our bar became orange here. Our frame is orange here, our menus are orange here. Again, so now how I have built this. You can build from any way. Let's say we want just a theme with separators that are yellow. And we want also to have the selection bar yellow. So yes, okay. When we apply it, we have this yellow bar. This bar is now more orange because it's transparent. If we remove completely transparency, you will see that the bar is yellow, but we can't read the text because the text is now white on yellow. So go back to the theme and say the selected text is now black. Apply. So now when we select our menu, you see that the color of the text has changed to black when the selection bar is over it. Now let's say this theme is fine for us, it's a mix-up of colors, but we want to store it. So you can simply go to themes and say, okay, my actual theme, I tell it my theme or something else, and add it. Now it will be added as a name here in the list. Let's take a funny one, pink and violet. Select, apply. So everything is now pink and violet here. This is a theme that I have defined for fun. you can simply go back to Theme, Themes, My Theme, select, and you find back your colors, apply, and everything is red again, but your menus are yellow. So it's quite easy to store a theme. When I go back to themes, I can also take this theme, I can rename it, theme 2, my theme 2, it has been renamed, or I can remove it so it doesn't exist anymore. The Show Themes button here brings you just to a folder. The folder is in the application support folder, Clipbox Themes, and you see that themes are nothing else again as a JSON file. When we open it with let's say TextEdit, we see that it's simply a formatted text file here. Why are these files here accessible in the Finder? Because simply you can copy them from here and send these themes to someone else so that he can install it in his Clipbox. It's quite easy, it's just copy and paste. We are now at the end of this tutorial, and for the moment it's the last tutorial for Clipbox. I hope you have much fun with Clipbox and I hope that you use it. Thanks for watching.